Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Subscribe. We ship everywhere. Do you know that you can use rice to produce a face cream, a body lotion, a face toner, or a face wash? It's more heavier, but just that we are used to base cream. Okay, but let me ride you along with it. I've dropped the video before. This is the second time I'm doing this video now. Rebecca, so you listen, okay? So now, for those of us who want organic, and you can still premix it, not just only organic, all right? So let me differentiate a base cream, emulsifying wax base cream, and rice base cream. Now, emulsifying wax, you have to activate it with other ingredients to make it moisturizer or to make it a lightening base cream, all right, for the skin. Why rice base cream is not at all. Rice have a lightening property. If you want to know, sieve the rice water, put a good perf, or you don't need to put any other thing. Listen to me. Sieve the rice water after properly sieve the rice, just only the water, make it more lighter, all right? Then put your good perfume so you can get good aroma, right? They'll be using it on your face as a face toner every morning. You'll see. I give you a month, you see that you notice that your face is get toned already. So you see now, this one have a natural lightening property. Why this one is just there? Which one is just there? It's the EWAS. Go on, EWAS is just you just use it for a base, all right? And activate it. Why this rice that you use for a base also, you have to use it constantly in every monitor. It has a lighting property already, all right? So it is what it is. So now let's dive into it properly. If you want to make a rice base cream, let's start with the base cream first of all. You can just make sure your rice, rinse it, then boil it. All right, not parboil, you boil it. After boiling is done already, you sieve it properly. After sieving, you blend. This is another type of base cream entirely. You blend. You will be wondering, how would you use rice to, it tastes what it is. It's not a joke. It's not you read and you read and you do what is it called, observation. You carry out a patch test. You carry out experiment. All right. So it tastes what it is. You blend it. You blend all of them. After that, then you can put your preservative to preserve it. You can put a fragrance if you want. That is a natural base cream. It lightens. I'm telling you. It's just because we are used to EWAS already. That is why. So it will look very funny to you, but it's not funny. You can try it. Trust me, you'll see a good result. So now that is how to make a rice base cream. All right, you know how to make EWAS base cream. This one you don't try to say you want to put after putting your preservative, you want to put one lightening powder to don't do any of that. It's a lightening property, right? So if you go to the market, you want to buy a proper lightening base cream, natural one, you can buy the rice in a base cream. I will go on live and still talk to people about it also. For those of us who really want to get the information again. So now that is for the base cream. Now let's use it to make a face cream, organic face cream, not whitening face cream. Just a few details. Now, first of all, do you want to do the sieving, just the sieving type, or you want to take the rice base cream? It's two ways, like as I said. Now, after rinsing your rice, you parboil your rice 10 to 15 minutes, then sieve it. Then the water, all right, put it in a bowl. It will settle down. When it settles down, you remove the one that is the watery part of it. You take the other side that settled down. You feel like to be starchy, Yes, it becomes a thick now. And after that, you cannot put, depending on the quantity. Let's say you're making 200 or 250 ml. You cannot put your oils, you put like almond oil or put coconut oil, or you can put in olive oil. All right, just put 1 spoon of the oil. All right, yes, because we want to make it also a moisturizer. And as far as the lightening product, very natural lightening, you make it a moisturizer, good moisturizer also. So, okay, so after put your oil, remember we're making a face cream of it now. So after putting your oil, you cannot put your aloe vera. All right, you cannot put your aloe vera. When you put your aloe vera, put 1 spoon. All right, or you can put 2 spoons. So it will change the texture also. But the reason why you're putting aloe vera, so it will not be stinking on your face. It will not be stinking like it's gummy, like, you know, it's more become creamier, because the way the content itself, the rice water settled down, has given a starch base thick now, then couple with the aloe vera. And what aloe vera is very good, you know, it helps to calm the face, you know, it helps to calm the face, not so when you get some products, when you see that, oh, it's causing redness, it's sticking in my face, is because, you know, they did not put some of all this additives or this ingredient. All right, so aloe vera is very good. It will calm the face also. All right, so you mix it with it. After you mix it, you've put your any of the oil you want to use. Let it be a moisturizer, you know, that can it will help the skin to smooth very well. So in as much the rice itself, the rice water is lightening up, then the oils are also helping, you know, to moisturize the skin, the face also. So it's not like, as I said, don't put much things. This is the organic part of it we're doing. I don't put, you can put your tea tree a drop. You can just put your tea tree oil, just 1 drop. All right, for that to 50 ml. All right, so if you think of any other oil that you want to put as a moisturizer, fine. Then you cannot put your preservative, just put a drop also. Your preservative a drop, also put a good fragrance of yourself. Then you blend properly. For those people who just want just one shade, and they don't mind if it takes time before it really, you know, tone them up. Okay, it will work for you, trust me. Then after putting all this, if you want to promise it, you can put activators. All right, you can put activators, put different types. If you want to use powders, you know, I would advise, if you want to use powder, use a mild powder that you can also use, you know, for normal cream, for EY's cream. All right, so use a mild powder, dissolve your powder and then put. But if you want to use a powder, or you want to use activator, use not the water you use this time, you use the rice itself. You must, after blending, you scoop the one you need to scoop, then you put everything you need to put gradually. All right, then you can put your activators and blend. Trust me, it's still the same thing. You will see if it's even faster than base cream. It's just that people don't know it yet, and they don't know how to go. Maybe it's expensive to produce than normal EWAS. All right, so, and it's very natural. All right, it's very natural than base cream. So you can go ahead and test it if you feel like, yes. If you feel you don't understand this, you can join us on live video, then you'll understand more about it, because I will go more details there. All right, so it is what it is. Bye bye.